Hoover woman really concerned over future flooding is taking action. Now, this is what it looked like near Patton Chapel last month. And record rainfall really left water everywhere. It damaged some homes as well. Well, new this morning, we are talking to that woman. Sarah Killian is with us in studio this morning. Sarah, she is starting a sandbag campaign to get the attention of city officials. It's pretty creative on her part.
Yeah, pretty unique, Rick. And Melissa Watts, she hopes that this sends a silent but effective message that the city of Hoover needs to fix it. Watts started making these sandbags over the weekend, and she's been handing them out to her neighbors around Patton Chapel Road. Driving along, you'll see these sandbags just sitting next to mailboxes, and they simply read, you see right there, "Fix it." Watts says that she and her neighbors have experienced flooding several times in recent years and have anxiety anytime there's rain in the forecast. During the most recent flood event, Watts sustained more than $80,000 in damages to her home. She says that she hopes this sandbag campaign will help put a stop to all the flooding.
We want our neighbors to send a clear, distinct message to the city council, to the mayor, to our community leaders that this is an infrastructure problem that has been mounting for years.
Watts is going door to door, meeting with her neighbors and handing out these sandbags. She encourages all those who have concerns to write letters, send emails, make phone calls, and show up to Hoover City Council meetings.